Welcome to a new video, guys. In today's video I'm going to talk about how to turn off your voicemail on your iPhone. So this is actually a very useful feature because in my opinion voicemails are a bit outdated and pretty much nobody uses them, so it's kind of useless. Okay, so what we need to do is to find the settings app on your iPhone. Once located, tap on it. Now here you want to scroll all the way down to find apps tab. You want to tap on adjust as well, and here look for phone application. Okay, can take some time, but here it is, phone. I'll tap on it as well, and here you want to scroll slightly down to find this call forwarding tab. You tap on it, give your iPhone some time, and here you can see that my call forwarding is turned off. And I can imagine that yours is turned on, which you don't want to have. So just turn it off, and then your voicemail will be deactivated. No voicemails on your iPhone anymore. Okay? If you found this video useful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.